a reality. I wish the Zamud campus continued success and many more achievements in the future. Here, Walid Mushtaq Sahib has put light on the recently uh, conferences which the government of Pakistan and the stakeholders have hosted in Islamabad on mines and minerals. Overseas convention was there, where almost 1,200 participants participated from all over the world. Pakistani community was here. Mine and Middle Conference was totally focused on mainly on two provinces, which was Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan. The mine and mineral is the future of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. If you see, if the local community have joint venture with the overseas companies, I think the shape of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa will definitely change. So I hope for the peaceful KP, I hope for the peaceful Peshawar, because in past and right now, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is the gateway to Central Asia and Europe. Because in past, the gateway was already in from when people were doing business, whatever they were doing when they were going to Europe, they used to pass through Peshawar, then Central Asia, and then they were going to Europe. So always we want good relation with our neighbors also. There is instability in Afghanistan. We are having difficulties from our neighboring country also. But I hope today visit of the Deputy Prime Minister to Afghanistan will bring fruitful result. We want peaceful Afghanistan, because peaceful Afghanistan will be the future of Pakistan also. And on here, I'm standing here. I have opened the door of Governor House for the future of Pakistan also. I invite your delegation, your student also, to come and visit Governor House. We can give them briefing what we do as Governor Office, what is Governor duty. So I've invited students from different colleges, universities, and schools. They can write to us, they can bring their delegation, they can see what we are doing in Governor House. They can see, because when we were also students, when we were seeing what's happening in Parliament, what's happening in CM House or Governor House. So you are most welcome whenever your delegation, your group of students and faculty wants to visit Governor House. You can write to us and we will host you in Governor House. I am hosting, and I again thank you on behalf of the people of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Peshawar, my brother Walid, that he has opened this campus here in Peshawar. One is in Abbottabad, so we need more also. Not two is not enough. So we need more in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa also, because the quality of education which Roots, your college and school is giving, that is, I think, incredible. And
माइंस एंड मिनरल्स खैबर पख्तूनख्वा का मुस्तकबिल हैं। तरक्की के लिए जदीद तालीम का हसूल ज़रूरी है। निसाब का जदीद होना ही मुल्क की तरक्की का ज़ामिन है। तलबा के महफूज और रोशन मुस्तकबिल के हवाले से मिलकर इक़दामात कर रहे हैं। गवर्नर खैबर पख्तूनख्वा फैसल करीम कुंडी पेशावर में तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे।